a little girl in Russia, died while trying to prevent her younger brother from being burned by boiling water. 6-year-old Masha Yantuganova of Suuk-Chishma was playing with her 18-month-old brother Dima when the tragedy took place. Dima accidentally stumbled on a cable connected to a kettle, which fell as a result. When Masha saw the boiling water headed for her brother, she ran across the room to push him out of the way. As a result, she suffered third-degree burns on 60% of her body. The girl's parents said that they were in the garden when the incident occurred. Her mother Tatyana said that she heard the screams of her daughter and ran inside the house. Tatyana soaked both of her children in the icy water, while other family members called for help. After a few minutes, the mother decided to drive her children to a nearby hospital. Doctors covered the body of Dima in ointment, but said that don't have ointment for Masha. The mother took her daughter to another hospital, but Masha lost consciousness on the way. She was taken into intensive care, but died later in the day. Dima suffered burns on over 40% of his body, but it is expected to survive.